Let's start by creating a new document of 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels, and give it a name. Set color mode to RGB and click Create. Create a solid color layer having color as 8C0B16. Now import the card design that we created in previous video. Place it in the middle. Now create a rectangle and make its corners 30 pixels round. Hide the card layer. Now use Ctrl+T to transform the rectangle. Right-click and choose Distort. Adjust the rectangle in a position similar to this. Unhide the card layer. Now use the same transform option on the visiting card. Place it on top of the black rectangle, and clip it with the rectangle layer, by pressing and holding Alt key and clicking between the card layer and rectangle layer. This is our next project, so stay with us by subscribing. Duplicate the rectangle layer, place it below the original rectangle 1 layer. Change its color to white. And use arrow keys to adjust the position like this. This layer will give it 3D look. I imported this texture layer and put it on top of the visiting card. I used hue and saturation adjustment layer to desaturate the texture layer. Merge these two layers and make it a smart object. Use Ctrl+T to transform the texture layer and place it on visiting card, like this. Clip it with the visiting card by pressing and holding Alt key and clicking between the two layers. Right-click on the texture layer and choose Blending options. Use Blend If option and hide some blacks from this layer, that is the texture layer, by pressing and holding Alt key, and clicking and dragging this black triangle to the right. Click OK. Now choose the blending mode as Soft Light. Add 0.5 pixels of Gaussian blur to the texture layer from the Filters menu. Set opacity to 50%. Add an exposure adjustment layer to add highlights. Increase the exposure, and then invert the mask to black. Now use white paintbrush and reveal the exposure on particular areas. Like this. Decrease the opacity. Now duplicate this adjustment layer. Decrease the exposure and offset. And invert the mask. Now adjust the shadows using black and white paintbrush. Duplicate the black rectangle layer, reposition it, and make it smaller. Like this. Right-click on this black rectangle layer and make it a smart object. From Filters menu add 30 pixels of Gaussian blur. Now add a black solid color layer on top of everything. Invert the mask, and reveal the layer on bottom part of the card to make it a little darker, like this. If you like this video, feel free to like, comment, and share it with your friends. That is it for today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep bringing your imagination to life in Photoshop.